Back with another Dynodaze video, and we've actually seen this Honda Civic Ep3 TypeR before, but our Richard and Jensen have fitted a Skunk 2 inlet manifold and Skunk 2 throttle body. It's had a different induction kit since we last seen it, and we're going to be mapping again on the K100 today. One of Richard's favourite jobs is taking the K100 in and out, and that's why you can see Jeno on his knees in there. So, stock power run, I think, maybe, and then we'll see how we get on with tuning it. Here we go. Well, we've seen this EP3 before.
We have,
and we mapped it up last time to 225 brake-ish.
Yeah, so where we were last time, wasn't it? We fitted a Skunk 2 Pro Series inlet manifold today. We have fitted a Teguer 70mm throttle body today.
Skunk 2.
Sorry, beg your pardon.
Skunk 2 70mm throttle body.
70mm throttle body. With the Dorenza eBay induction kit. Which is kids bought him for Christmas, so he said.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be our choice on induction kit, to be fair, but I think it still did okay. I mean, really, we always say for this sort of level of mods, we say 240, and we made 240. I think there would have been a little bit more in it with a bigger induction kit.
Yeah.
I think there would have been a little bit more, maybe the 245 or whatever. But yeah, generally done really well, I think, for what it is. We can see where we've made power, or the inlet manifolds made power. You know, we generally say they make about 10 brake, and we've sort of gained about 15, haven't we, overall, from where the car was before.
It's done well. There's a nice blue line for afterwards there, isn't there? It's made power across the rev range. So yeah, dead happy. I'm sure he's going to love this. I'm sure he'd kick its headed all the way home.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, there's a notable amount of usable power there, isn't there, for sure.
Yeah, that's why I love the EP3s, because you can bolt some mods on and make some more power.
Yeah, and generally a good dollop of power as well, isn't there? You know, with that. So
yeah, happy with that. I don't think I've got much more to say, really.
Well, I don't think we have, really, because one of these sort of get it through and get it done. We were a little bit behind today, ain't we?
Yeah, and we've got another EP3 to map, ain't we? When we get onto that, got to fit some
curtain manifold, fit a Tegra 70mm on the map.
Get it mapped up on an ECU exchange. Yeah.
Quite a bit on that one as well.
It's another black EP3. So the code word for this video today is going to be Skunk 2. Because we fitted some Skunk 2 stuff. But let's go look at the graph.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. So power made after a map, after a inlet manifold and a throttle body, and we finished today on what I'm calling 240 brake horsepower. It's actually 204, 205 at the wheels. So there we go. Another lovely EP3 mapped. Oh, I love a bit of carbon fibre in it. Oh, my lovelies. Very nice. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.